Welcome to the Breen Be a Better Boater segment. Today I've got something for you that most people overlook. It's something that's so simple but can save you so much money and stress. What happens on these is you notice, look, these are dry. See all that scarring on top? That is from not having any grease on it, and so it doesn't want to move around within the socket when it comes down, because that's actually sliding. This is a little aggressive, but it's sliding on top of there. What you do is we got the Bellry waterproof grease we sell in the shop here. Take a tiny little dab of this and put it on the end of the trim rams and the receiving socket up here. And not too much, you don't need excessive amounts. That looks good right about there. And that'll keep that from scarring the inside of these cylinders. As the motor's coming down with so much force, it actually pushes these to the side, and they only have O-rings to seal them inside, and he'll squish those O-rings and he'll mar the inside of this cylinder. And what that does is it causes it to start leaking. And believe it or not, these aren't cheap. Do your maintenance.